Rated E for everyone.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and taking a new hit and get up. First stop, start walking, a little bit of humble, a little bit of...
What is up, everybody? Monster Jam Fanatic here, back again with another Monster Jam Steel Titans video. And as you know, yesterday the big update for Steel Titans came out. There is new Career Plus. I think there's a drone mode. I actually did not cover it in the video, but I believe there's a new drone mode. I wasn't able to find it though, but that's what I heard. We have Career Plus. We have new missions that you can do if you go around the map. You have Gravedigger, El Toro Loco, Maxi set up in different places around the map. You can go there and you can do some construction time crunch thing. That's pretty cool. It's like impossible for me to do. I'll play a clip in a minute, but it's impossible for me to complete and get first. If you have any advice, and if you got first, you need like 1.5 million. I can't get past 600,000 destruction score, and it's really hard, and I really want the overcast trucks. That is the only way to do it, I believe. So hopefully I can actually do it and win. It just seems impossible. Like, I'm not even halfway there. But anyways, I will roll a clip of what happens there. You just go around the map and the trucks are displayed in random places. So here's the first clip. As you can see, I was really awful. That was actually the first time I really tried it. I did try it a lot more times after that, and I actually got a little bit better, but I'm still not even halfway near first place, and that's what you need to win and go to the next race. There's 3 races for each truck. So now I will show you a video from the Career Plus race. And actually I've been showing one half the time for this video, but now I will show you another race. It's actually pretty cool. was a pretty hectic race, but as you can see, it was still pretty fun. I didn't like the only thing I just don't like about this is how many times you flip and how easy it is to flip. Like, I flipped so many times, and you should have heard me rage. If I had a mic, you'd hear me rage so bad every time I flipped, and I lost the race because I kept flipping over, and I probably would have won actually because I caught up a lot. But as you can see, that is Career Plus, just more races. It's still pretty fun. I like the races. It's just hard. It just sucks when you flip and over again. It just makes you so mad. But that is all for today. I'm sorry I did not get the overcast trucks. Like I said, that's what you have to do, I believe, is you have to go around the map, and where it shows the trucks, you have to complete all 3 of the races for each truck to unlock a overcast truck. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me what you guys think about the update, if you guys got it yet, and if you are enjoying it. So thanks for watching once again. Please like, comment, and of course subscribe if you're new, and peace out.